Yes, good morning, Biafrans. Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning to my audience. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for what you've been doing and for what you're doing up to today. Now, I want to bring to the attention of Biafrans today that we have only one government, and that government is the United States of Biafra, who the leader is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Prime Minister remains Mazi Simon Ekpa, and the Deputy Prime Minister remains Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Arabweze.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, my wonderful people. On this video that you're about to watch, please do well to watch this video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video to the very end of it. As you're watching, don't forget to share. Share this video, like this video, spread this message. Let this video go viral. Yes, because this video that you're about to watch, it's worth watching. You will not regret watching the video. Yes, as you're watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message. And do well and touch your hand for notification bell. And whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, always condemn it, don't condone it. Yes, because all we do here is just to bring the truth to naked it, all of us witnesses. That's all we do here on this Global Love Channel TV. Please, as you're watching, don't forget that an injustice for one is an injustice for all. Always stand by the truth. Yes, let's watch it.
Currently, the surrogates for the Prime Minister of the Biafran government. Now, any other people or persons parading themselves as the acting Prime Minister or the Prime Minister of the Biafran government in exile, they are not working for the United States of Biafra. Biafrans, I want you to ask these individuals a question: that what documents have you to present to Biafrans, to present to the world as the Prime Minister? These people are people that were paid to come and discuss what we're doing and to stop real declaration of Biafra in Finland. Nigerian terrorist government headed by Tinubu paid these individuals money to spoil what we are doing. And today, that is in the public domain. But we are here to make sure that they do not come and deceive Biafrans. The only legitimate government as we speak is the United States of Biafra, and it is only one government. We do not run a parallel government in United States of Biafra. And the Deputy Prime Minister remains as today Madam Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, Her Excellency. So on this note, I want you guys to understand that these are the people heading our new nation, 3 months old in some few days to come, and 3 leaders we have as we speak. 2 is not around. 1 is kidnapped from Kenya, who is our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our Prime Minister is being called for questioning by the Finnish authority. And Biafran, this questioning that they called our Prime Minister is even very good, because at the end of the day, Nigeria and other country would not have any reason to call Finland. I want to promise and put it out there, despite Finland has not completely let our Prime Minister to speak with us, does not mean that they have sold out. they are trying to save their heads, and they are trying to as well save our prime minister. Because the allegations that was brought by these cultural individuals were very weighty. And I must say the truth, that they were very weighty indeed. They were very weighty allegation indeed. But the truth remains that the Nigerian terrorist government knows that what they brought was lies, all false. So they have not been in Finland to defend any of these allegations. That is very good, because up to today, our prime minister has not been found guilty of any crime. So please give them the time to do more and dig more investigation, because they are not going to come out with anything substantial. As long as it's Nigeria, I beat my chest on that. Thank you, Biafrans. And good news again, the Department of State of United States of America has recognized the United State of Biafra. That is a very welcome development, and the zoo is quacking. The zoo cannot sleep. Tinubu has not slept since the news came out, and even up to tomorrow, he's not going to be sleeping, because more is still coming. Christopher Musa, I want to tell you today, you have been defeated, and you will continue to be defeated in our land by every means necessary. All our people that you killed from December till this February that we are in, believe you me, if your army still remains in our land after 60 days, indeed, there must be a magician to have still remained there. We are saying this because we are going through the normal route to get our freedom, and we sent the illegitimate president of Nigeria a document to acknowledge us to leave, because we are terrorists and we don't want to terrorize Nigeria again and their citizens. So we need to leave and go and terrorize the United States of Biafra. And for that reason, Tinubu, we sent you a letter of acknowledgement. So if you like, acknowledge it. If you like, don't acknowledge it. It will not affect us in any way. But we are following the right template, so that when the world asks us, we know we will produce evidence and show to them. Now, the National Assembly is no more speaking. The government house is no more speaking. Biafrans, I tell you, we are winning these people. We are winning this terrorist government of Nigeria. They thought they could intimidate us. They thought they could fight us and suppress us by every means necessary, by forcing us to become an Islamic state. They thought they would have done it by gun and bullets. But now what is happening? Musa is getting the message right today. And we are very happy for what is happening on how Donald Trump is exposing Nigeria, and he will continue to expose them. If Tinubu does not go to jail in this time around, I will know what caused it. Very corrupt man indeed. Tinubu is very, very corrupt. Highly corrupt. He's a corrupt man. Very corrupt indeed. And for those of you that will come here and we call us online government, online country, online whatever, brothers and sisters, wait until we finish our online shenanigans. Then you will know that we know what we are doing. The government knows what they are doing. Again, Biafrans, I want to tell you that there is only one government. There is only one government, and that government, as we speak, is headed by Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the Deputy Prime Minister of the Biafran government, as we speak. Please, any other government, I don't know about them. Any other government is fake. Any other people that say they are other government from which side, they are fake. Do not listen to them. At this moment, I would like to encourage Biafran to be strong. Look up to the sky. Put up all your energy and embrace this coming country. Very soon, we will unveil so many things, and Nigerians will be wowed. Biafrans, I tell you, one thing I must assure you is that our Deputy Prime Minister is on the right track. She's doing everything necessary to make sure that you and I head home this December as Biafrans that we are. Thank you so much. But I want to tell the government of Nigeria, Tinubu, whether you like it or not, you must acknowledge that letter. You called us a terrorist, and you wouldn't want to live with terrorists in your land. So please, sign the documents and let's leave. We do not want any of your soldier to be in our land. And Biafrans, let me promise you people this. Tinubu's army, Christopher Musa terrorist army, can never kill Biafran again and go scot-free. They can never. They can never. They can never kill Biafran again and go scot-free. It is not a joke. Before maybe we were making, but this time around, they can never. You can never try it. And I want to tell Soludo, this 4 years of yours is just the end of your tenure. You can never conduct any election in Anambra State. And all your people that are destroying lives and properties in Anambra State, they should wait. Very soon, they will meet their match. You are going to attack people that are not carrying guns, that are not carrying weapons to challenge you. You will go there and shoot at them. You will go there and destroy their livelihood. So Ludo cannot give these people money to start a trade. People will suffer. Send their loved ones message to send them money. Those ones will send money to them. And then at the end of the day, you go and destroy their livelihood. That is your own pattern of governance. And we are going to put an end to it very soon. Biafrans, just bear with us. All the things that they are doing to you people, we are seeing it. The government is taking notes. But because when we start, nobody, no country on this earth
all of us will witness them.
Will come against us or will come after us. Because self-defense is not a crime. And we are watching you closely. Don't worry. Soludo, we are watching you closely. Very soon you will understand where we are coming from. Biafrans, believe that we are going home. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.